Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the MTN8, Orlando Pirates 2, Devon City 1. I'm joined by KB.
Hola Sibo. Okrent.
I'm Nandi leader.
Ngimnandi. Yes, it's a short video, yabo. I think game namhlanje was tough.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Very tough.
And very personal also.
Yeah. Very personal.
I think also we've witnessed an entertaining football.
Sure.
I think ilokunjani. Full compliment Ulungu for the goal that he scored. Yes, even though he hasn't done much, but in compliment because if it wasn't for him, if it wasn't for him, in number 10, Ivelile. Ukuthi that position it's still a problem.
Yes,
missing because we can't rely on Tito too much the whole season.
Yes.
Because Tito namalanga wake he pick and chooses games
on and off.
But it's not like we hate him as that. We love him as our player. But he needs to understand it ukuthi ngicela uphakamisa isandla because urile uhambile. Our hope is on you. Phakamisa isandla mfethu. Also Remy, I think they need to get another wing abazom challenge. Also, ungato asazi ukuthi whether he's going to provide that challenge to him or not because ukhosetsile for me top player. A top player mfethu like lo muntu lo uzodla I think namhlanje udlala indima enkulu wa change game. Yabo ungena kwakhe and also this guy lo umkopoli naye he looked a bit shaky but ubuke ukuthi bekadlala naye uNdaba naye I think imistake ayenzile was to allow uShandu adile naye 1v1 but naye umremi naye problem yi1 you can't leave uNdaba I1 because lo muntu lo makazohlangana nama player afana nabo Matthews Nuno Santos bazomceda bazomceda so I think that's it yabo ngayini yabo maybe for a longer video I'll provide proper ones
I thank you.
Hola.
Yeah.